Innovative products with exclusive designs and quality standards and perfect customer services have spurred continual growth at our group of companies, both at home and abroad. Our firm has been producing high-quality plastic packaging at our headquarters in Stockholm for more than 50 years. Our office sales team processes your inquiries. It goes without saying that the team has an extensive knowledge of our device is important because this is the only way to ensure that we find the perfect solution for you. Our order management department ensures that your request is handled in good time from the moment it arrives until the after-sales services. It starts with using the best possible raw materials. Our company has the necessary expertise for every relevant production process when manufacturing plastic packaging. Our firm is one of the world's leaders in producing extruded, thick-walled glass polymer, for example. Our employees provide the foundation for our high quality levels through their own efforts. All the members of the team pursue a common goal to offer uncompromising customer satisfaction. We offer you a large selection of decorative options so that your flacon stands out from all the others. Lacquering is a high-quality decorative technology. Degrading lacquering, or graduation spray lacquering, creates a wonderful impression. The tactile quality of a soft touch effect is amazing.